Hey guys, do you wanna learn about fundamentals of Linux and Python for free? But are you worried about seeing lots of free resources online? Then don't worry, we will talk about it in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. First of all, I wanna mention one thing, that if you haven't followed me on my Twitter account yet, then please follow me on Twitter so that you can get latest updates and news on time. Just like you can see here, Linux as well as Python course for free directly from Cisco Network Academy, a well-known organization. That's why I am saying that you have to follow me on my Twitter account. Now, you might be thinking why you should do courses directly from Cisco, because as shown in the pic below, you can see here a terminal as well as reading paragraph. You can also follow me on my GitHub account to get updates about my projects, as well as you can contribute in it. By the way, I am also working on some projects which I will upload very soon on my GitHub account. Now let's move towards the demonstration of the courses. You can find these links in the description below, or you can go onto my Twitter account as well. So let's click on this link. After clicking on this link, you have to just register yourself in NetAcad account. Okay, means you have to create your account in NetAcad. Here you can see a button here, sign up today. Just click here or select any language you want. Now you will see a sign up form. Just fill the information. And you can create your account easily. After creating account, you have to go to their website NetAcad by the name NetAcad and just log in here, right here. Okay, after login, you can see the dashboard just like that. Okay, I have already enrolled many courses over here and completed successfully 2 courses as well. And I already completed this course, but due to some issues, it is not showing here. Okay. First of all, let me show you about Linux course. As you can see here, 2 types of a Linux course. This is for complete beginners. If you haven't any idea about Linux or how operating system works, then I first recommend this course to you all guys, right? After getting some idea or some basics about Linux, then you can move towards this course. Okay, if you have already some idea about Linux, then I recommend directly this course to you all guys. Okay, so now after clicking this course or launching this course, you can see that window right here. This is the dashboard of Linux. Now you can see here many topics: introduction to Linux, working in Linux, complete command line skills, archiving and compression, bash scripting. Many topics are written here. Let me select one of them, chapter 4. Okay, after selecting chapter 4, you will get this screen like that. Now, an amazing interface. You can read here any topic you can easily clear from here, and you can also practice at the same time. That's the main advantage of Cisco courses, that you can practice at the same time on a right hand terminal. Just like you can see here, if I write pwd present working directory, or I will stop to show processes. Okay, you can also see objectives here, just like that. OSI, open source licensing, free software foundation, and many more things. ETROMs as well. I hope this might be clear to all of you guys. Now move towards Python. Now after clicking this, you can see just like that window, right? Select any module you want, but by the way, you have to solve all the modules line by line. I am just showing you the demonstration. Okay, so after clicking here, you can solve anything. As you can see here, that I already completed all of the modules here, but due to some issues, it is not showing in the dashboard. I already get certification from Linux, both Linux courses as well, but due to some issues, I haven't get any certification from Python. By the way, certification doesn't matter. Skills matters the most. Okay, now you can see here, I already complete all items. I already completed it. Okay, I hope this video might be helpful for you guys. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter account, as well as I will also create my LinkedIn as well as Facebook very soon. Okay, thanks for watching this video.